Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can add calendar to your Notion. At first you have to search for Indify on your Google and come to this website and then log in with the same email with which you are logged into your Notion. After that it will show you my widgets page. All you need to do is scroll down until you see Google Calendar. Just click on create widget and just let's name this calendar and then hit continue. After that, it's going to generate a new widget for me. Once it's done, you see it says please log in to view calendar. So we're just going to sign in with our Google one more time over here. Once it's done, you can see the Google Calendar over here. Now, if you scroll down, you can see it. You can change any of the colors and customize it however you want to. For now, I'm just going to copy the link from here and it says copy to clipboard, and I'll head back into my Notion and then just press anywhere and search for /embed and then click on this one, and then I'll just paste the link and then click on embed link. Once it's done loading, you can see it's here and you can customize it however you want to, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.